All right, let's get straight to the good stuff. If you've ever wanted to start your own online shop but didn't know where to begin, or maybe you're still clutching onto that dream of selling custom mugs with your dog's face on them, today's your lucky day. But before I spill the secrets, make sure you click the link in the description below for your special Shopify trial offer. Seriously, don't miss it. Okay, let's talk Shopify's 14-day free trial. Imagine having 2 whole weeks to play shopkeeper, with zero risk, no credit card worrying, and plenty of time to see if your business idea is actually genius or, well, needs a bit more work. You get access to everything. Add products, pick a gorgeous theme, even the ones that make you look like you hired an actual web designer. Connect payment options, and yes, test out those snazzy discount codes that make everyone feel like they're getting a deal. Now, I know what you're thinking, but I'm not techie. Trust me, if you can post a cat meme, you can build a Shopify store. The dashboard's so simple, even my nan could do it. Plus, there's tons of free resources, guides, and if you're really stuck, customer support that's actually helpful. Let's say you're ready to go global. Shopify's got you with built-in tools for shipping, taxes, and currencies. Or maybe you're just selling to folks in your village. Easy. You can even connect your Instagram and Facebook and start selling straight from there. It's like your shop's open everywhere all at once. Magic, right? And if you're worried about getting stuck after 14 days, don't panic. You can upgrade, keep your beautiful shop, and carry on building your empire. Or, if you decide the online shop life isn't for you, just walk away. No guilt, no charges, promise. So what are you waiting for? Give your business idea a real chance. Click the link in the description for your special Shopify trial, and let's get that shop online today. Your future customers are waiting, and honestly, so is your dog's face mug.